Hello and welcome to this packed course, Haskell Data Analysis Made Easy. Haskell is a purely functional programming language. With lazy evaluation, strong typing and reliability, Haskell is a popular choice for those who want to get started with data analysis. This course uses text, video and code examples to cover key concepts. It is carefully curated to make sure that your learning journey is smooth, enjoyable and insightful. There are quiz and coding challenges that will help you build upon your learning. After completing this course, you will be able to use Haskell to analyze real-world datasets. You do not need to have any previous knowledge of Haskell or data analysis. All you need is a computer with internet connectivity and an enthusiasm to learn. This course contains must-have coverage for anyone seeking to become a Haskell data analyst. Initially, we start off with the basics of Haskell. After you are comfortable with syntax and have played around with a few programs, you will then be introduced to basic data analysis concepts, such as working with datasets, plotting graphs, and viewing general trends of data. The latter part of the course discusses advanced concepts, such as regression methodologies, clustering, and principal component analysis. To finish off, we'll put all of our knowledge to the test by creating our very own final project. Packed courses are very carefully designed to make sure that they're delivering the best learning experience possible. The simplest way to think about our content is these 3 steps. Step 1 is about communicating key concepts clearly and effectively. We do this with a mixture of hands-on practical coverage and visual demonstrations about what's going on under the hood. This is the foundational knowledge that you'll draw from throughout the entire course. Step 2 is where we dive into worked examples. With a core understanding of key principles under our belt, we can put them to work in the real world. Our peer-reviewed sample applications help you follow along with your instructors. Every single one has been fully tested by our in-house team of technical experts so that you can be sure you won't be left scratching your head as you progress. Step 3 is where we challenge you to build upon and extend our example projects. We really recommend committing to breaking and tinkering with our provided applications. It'll help bring all of your learning together whilst also allowing you to potentially extend our initial repositories into new technical demos or portfolio pieces. Together, these 3 key stages form the top-level basis of your learning experience. To make this all happen in one complete course, we've assembled a great team of editors and expert instructors. All of our instructors are highly qualified, even before they're sourced as packed authors. We've specifically gone out into the world and recruited a talented variety of real-world experts to put together the best and most comprehensive course possible. James is an assistant professor of computer science at Austin Peay State University. He has consulted for various companies and a chemical laboratory for the purpose of performing data analysis work. Hakeem has written, spoken and evangelized about learning and writing Haskell since 2006. Alongside our expert team of instructors are our highly experienced editorial staff. For this course, your editor, Manasa, is here to help you every step of the way. We highly recommend using the Q&A section of your course page to follow along with your peers, share answers and collaborate on larger projects. If you're after something really specific, you can get in touch with your editor directly by sending a message to us via our profile on Udemy. Before we dive right in, it's worth bearing in mind that you'll get the most value out of this course by pacing yourself appropriately, in particular setting time aside to work through quizzes and examples. Everything we include has a purpose and will help you build the skills that you need to stay relevant in the real world. We hope that you enjoy this and any other courses you might purchase from Pact, and with the basics out of the way, we can jump right in and get started with our first instructor.